Main window, Unreal Engine 5. On the left is Python program output window, which runs off Raspberry Pi 4. On the right is LED controlled by the Python program. In the main window, the moving cube, the circling cube, is hitting two triggers and turn LED on and green light on and turn them off as well. Okay. Now, when they hit one trigger, it will send a message to the servers on or off, turn it on or off. And the server will pass on the message to, see on the left, okay, the message is sent, okay. The top one is when you hit the trigger, the message to the server to the Python run control the LED. As soon as the LED state changes, and the Python will send a signal to the server, which control the green light. So there's a small timing difference, but they're almost at the same time. So one is a virtual world, one's a physical world. They affect each other synchronously. That's a digital twin. If we use Arduino board instead of Raspberry Pi, I would be able to measure the LED state rather than using code. Something to try later.